How do you come up with video ideas that are almost guaranteed to go viral every time? See, the difference between getting 100 views on a YouTube video versus 1 million views on a YouTube video all comes down to the video idea. Think of Mr. Beast. He has the most outrageous video ideas, and because he's able to execute on them, he gets millions and millions of views. But you're not Mr. Beast. No, you don't have hundreds of thousands of dollars to throw at any video idea that comes to mind. Also, you're not on camera. So then how do you create a system to come up with viral video ideas for almost every single upload? There's 3 ways that this can be done. And in this video, I'm going to show you all 3. And the third one is a strategy that only the top 1% of YouTubers know about. So you're gonna wanna watch this entire video. But before we get into how to find viral video ideas, you'll first need a faceless YouTube channel and a definitive niche. So if you don't have a faceless YouTube channel and you haven't chosen a niche for your YouTube channel, we released a video called Top 7 Faceless YouTube Channel Niches for 2024. So pause this video, open a new tab, watch that video, and then come back and watch this video. So now I'll assume you have your niche, and once you do, it's time to start coming up with viral video ideas. And the first way to do that is finding competitor outlier videos. Let me explain. An outlier video is one that gets anywhere from 3 to 50 times more views than the average video on any given channel. And here's how to find them. Step 1, compile a list of 10 search terms within your niche. If you need help doing this, go to ChatGPT and ask for popular search terms on YouTube for your specific niche. Step 2, compile a list of 10 to 20 channels within your niche. How you'll do this is by using the search terms from before and searching on YouTube to find channels that are making videos within your niche. Step 3 is to find outlier videos on those channels. How you're gonna wanna do this is to go to each of the channels on the list, filter their videos by latest, and write down any videos that get 3 to 50 times more views than the average video on their channel. An important thing to note here is that you only wanna search within the last 6 months of uploads, because on YouTube, trends change quickly. And an outlier video from 2019 won't perform as well in 2024. Now this brings us to method number 2 of finding viral video ideas, finding content gaps. A content gap is the space between what viewers are asking for and the content that's actually out there published on YouTube. There's often a massive space in between, and all of that space is opportunity for you. So how do you find content gaps? Well, there's 2 ways. Number 1, remember those outlier videos that we were talking about before? Well, what you'll want to do is go through the comments of those outlier videos and other related popular videos on that same channel. And what you're looking for here is frequently asked questions. You'll notice a lot of these topics don't already have YouTube videos about them, and there's not a lot of information on them on YouTube, which is where the value is. By filling these content gaps, you will have a massive advantage over any other competitors on YouTube, because you'll be the first one to create a video about something that tons of people are asking for. On this channel that you're watching right now, we created a video around top myths about AI YouTube channels busted. This was done using this exact method. We saw some common questions, apprehensions that people had around AI videos on other popular AI-based YouTube channels. There were a lot of them. People didn't know if AI-based YouTube channels could be monetized, if AI-generated voices were good, where to find them, if AI-generated images were monetizable. People had a lot of questions. And so an obvious video idea that has potential to go viral would be one that answers all of those questions, which is what was done. And as you can see here, the response to the video was extremely positive. The second method of finding content gaps is by using tools like answerthepublic.com. This is a tool that shows you exactly what people are looking for around the internet regarding any topic. It will generate for you like 60 video ideas instantly. And the best part is it's free for 3 searches per day. So what you'll want to do is go to the site and search your target audience. Say you make videos about college students. You're going to want to just type in college students. You'll instantly get 30 to 60 video ideas that your potential viewers are practically begging for. And once you have these video ideas, you can use a tool like vidIQ or TubeBuddy to validate that people are actually searching on YouTube for these video ideas. Using these two methods, you'll be able to find content gaps that you can take advantage of and get a massive amount of views. This takes us to method number 3 of finding viral video ideas. But before I get into it, there's something about YouTube that you need to know that only the top 1% of YouTubers know. See, many creators come to YouTube expecting their growth to follow a steady linear trajectory, with each video incrementally increasing their average number of views. However, the reality is that your average views per video won't go up like that with every upload. See, after you upload 10 to 20 videos, you'll notice the average amount of views that you're getting kind of fluctuate within this one baseline. And then you'll have an outlier video, like the ones we talked about before, and that's gonna shoot your views up way high, but that comes down. But when it comes down to another baseline that's a little bit higher than the first one. See, that one outlier video that took your views way up there, that probably 20 to 50x your average number of views per video. And like I said, the next upload will come back down to a new baseline, and that new baseline will be a little bit higher than it was before. So the goal with YouTube is to have these outlier videos more often than not, because then every upload will literally increase the average amount of views per video on your channel, especially if you continue to upload quality videos moving forward. Now let's look again at the channel that you're watching right now. There was a drastic increase in the baseline views after Bulk Create 30 YouTube Shorts in one day with ChatGPT and InVideo went viral. This wasn't a gradual increase, it was a sudden jump that brought a clear bump in the baseline views moving forward. So the question becomes, how do you upload videos that are almost guaranteed to become outlier videos? Well, the way that the top 1% of YouTubers do it is by coming up with video ideas that seem too good to be true. Like seriously, take the thought of whether or not the video can actually be done out of your mind, go grab a pen, grab a paper, and write down the craziest video ideas within your niche that you can think of. Think Mr. Beast level of crazy. And speaking of Mr. Beast, you can look at his videos or any videos of popular YouTubers and find viral video constructs that you can incorporate into your brainstorming. For example, you'll notice a pattern of $1 versus X crazy amount of money in Mr. Beast videos. $1 versus $10 million job, $1 versus $250 million private island, $1 versus $250,000 vacation. The list goes on. And there's a ton of these out there. Another one is I tested 1-star X, started by Ryan Trahan with I tested 1-star restaurants. He's redone the video construct with camping, drive-thrus, theme parks, and it's been copied and resulted in millions and millions of views for a ton of YouTubers. So do some research into popular YouTubers, find these viral video constructs and keep them in mind when brainstorming, and you're gonna wanna use them and your creativity to come up with some crazy video ideas. Like if you had a faceless YouTube channel within the animal niche, for instance, you would think of a video idea like this. Can a dog survive a week in a cage full of lions? Be honest, you wouldn't click on that when you're scrolling through YouTube. Anyone would. So compile a list of like 20 to 30 of these crazy video ideas, then figure out how you can make them a reality. Now keep in mind that every crazy video idea is a gamble. Just because it's a crazy idea doesn't mean it's gonna go viral, but it certainly increases your chances of going viral. So you need to keep shooting your shot with these crazy video ideas because one will hit, and it only takes one upload to put your channel on the map. To increase that baseline level of views that you're getting to like 10 to 20 times what it is right now. Now let's go back to this video with the dog and the lions in the cage. You don't actually have to put a dog in a cage full of lions to create a video that follows through with the promise of answering this question. Instead, you could do a number of things, like ask ChatGPT what would happen if a dog was in a cage full of lions, and screen record the conversation while adding a funny and an entertaining voiceover. There are several faceless YouTube channels out there that have blown up from screen recorded Discord chat conversations, text conversations in the form of stories. So this is definitely a format that works. Another thing you could do is make up an interesting story using the video idea. You can even go to ChatGPT to make an outline for a script, and you can pop that script into an AI video generator like InVideo AI, which can take your prompt and turn it into a publish-ready, completely monetizable faceless YouTube video. What's even crazier about a tool like this is that you can use your own voice, and you can have the AI narration of the video in your own voice. So I put this prompt into InVideo AI. Create a 10-minute YouTube video about your video title, Use a voice with energy. Use clear, concise, and simple language throughout so that audiences of all ages and educational backgrounds can find value in the video. Don't repeat phrases throughout. Don't use sentences that start with "ever wonder" or "it's not about X, it's about Y." Avoid transitional phrases and words. Don't start every scene with a question. Create a separate scene for each of the sections outlined and include the explanations and examples. Use this outline to create the video and then enter the outline from ChatGPT. So doing that, within minutes, I got a full-length video that I can export and then upload to YouTube and start growing my channel. Another way that you can go about creating this video is do some research and go into the science behind how this would work out, how each of these animals would behave despite what the audience thinks would actually happen. Then talk about if it hasn't happened before, and show video footage if you can find it, while giving credit to the video owners, of course, and then go on from there. You get the point. There's a ton of ways to make this video or any crazy video idea a reality and to actually fulfill on the promise that the title and thumbnail suggest. But to even get to that point, you first need 20 to 30 crazy video ideas and you have to execute on them. All right, I hope you guys got a lot of value out of this video. We put a lot of time and effort into these so that we could show as much value as possible to you. So hopefully you got it out of the video. This is the third video of a series on Faceless YouTube channels where we're talking about everything from starting to growing to monetizing. Anything you need to know about Faceless YouTube channels, we will have a video for it by the end of the series. So if you missed the first two videos of the series, make sure to watch them. They'll show on the screen here, and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any more videos of the series. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you in another video soon.